What if your savings account is slowly losing you money? Most Americans are making this costly mistake every single day. They save money every month, but never truly build wealth. The difference between saving and investing will change your future. One smart decision today means hundreds of thousands more later. But nobody ever sat you down and explained this clearly. By the end, you will know the exact steps forward. You will learn how to turn your savings into investments. This is the step-by-step money path no one taught you. So grab a seat because class is officially starting now. First, let us talk about why saving alone is dangerous. Imagine you save $1,000 in your bank today. Your bank gives you about 0.5% interest. After one full year, you earn only about $5. But inflation in America grows at about 3% yearly. Inflation means your groceries, rent, and gas cost more yearly, so your $1,000 buys less stuff next year. Your money slowly shrinks in value just sitting in banks. This is called losing purchasing power, and it quietly hurts. Most Americans have no idea this is happening to them. The average savings account earns less than 1% yearly. The stock market has historically returned about 10% annually. That gap between 1% and 10% is massive. Over 30 years, that gap grows into hundreds of thousands. Let me show you a quick real-life example right now. Sarah saves $100 every month in her bank. After 30 years, Sarah has about $47,000 saved. Mike invests $100 every single month in stocks. After 30 years, Mike has over $200,000. Same amount of money saved, but 4 times more wealth. That is the incredible real power of investing your money. Sarah and Mike earned the exact same income all along. The only difference was what they each did with money. This is the most important financial lesson you can learn. Now, let us talk about exactly what investing really means. Saving means putting money somewhere safe, like a bank account. Your money stays completely safe but grows very slowly there. Investing means putting your money to work in the market. The market goes up and down in the short term, but over long periods, the market almost always goes up. Think of saving like keeping your money under your mattress. Think of investing like planting a money seed that grows. Saving protects your money while investing multiplies it over time. Both tools are important, and you truly need them both. Now let us talk about the 5 steps to start. These 5 steps take you from simple saver to investor. Follow these steps and you will beat most Americans financially. Most wealthy Americans follow some version of these same steps. You do not need to be rich to start today. You just need to know exactly what to do next. Step 1 is building your emergency fund before anything else. Before investing a single dollar, you need this fund ready. An emergency fund is money saved for unexpected life events. Think about suddenly losing your job or your car breaking, or think about a surprise medical bill arriving without warning. These things happen to regular Americans all the time, sadly. Without an emergency fund, you would have to use debt. That means credit cards charging 15 to 25% interest. High-interest debt will completely destroy all your investing progress. Your emergency fund is your most important financial safety net. How much money should you keep in this fund, though? Most financial experts say save 3 to 6 months' expenses. That covers 3 to 6 months of all your expenses. If you spend $3,000 a month, save $9,000. That cushion protects you if something unexpected goes wrong suddenly. Keep this emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, please. A high-yield savings account pays more than your average bank. Online banks like Marcus or Ally pay around 4%. That beats the average bank rate of 0.5. Your emergency money stays safe and earns a little too. So how do you actually build your emergency fund up? Start by opening a separate savings account just for emergencies. Keep this account separate from your everyday spending money account. Set up an automatic transfer into this account every payday. Even $50 a month starts to build your cushion. Treat your emergency fund savings like a bill you owe. Only touch this money when a true emergency shows up. A vacation or a sale is not a real emergency. Once you hit your 3 to 6 month target, celebrate. You just finished step 1 and you are now ready. Step 2 is paying off all your high-interest debt fast. Before investing a single dollar, this debt must go away. High-interest debt includes credit cards at 15 to 25%. Carrying a monthly credit card balance is costing you big. You could be paying up to 25% in interest. No investment consistently returns 25% guaranteed in the market. Paying off that debt is like earning a guaranteed return. Let me give you a quick example to show this. You have $5,000 in credit card debt today. Your card charges you 20% interest rate every year. That means you pay $1,000 in interest yearly. Paying off that debt instantly saves you $1,000. That guaranteed saving beats most stock market returns out there. So, how do you actually pay off high-interest debt the fastest? There are 2 popular strategies that millions of Americans use. The first strategy is called the debt avalanche method today. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay the minimum payment on every single debt you have. Throw every extra dollar at your highest interest rate debt. Once that debt is paid off, attack the very next one. The avalanche saves you the most money in interest charges. The second strategy is called the debt snowball method. List your debts from the smallest balance to the largest. Pay off the smallest debt first for a quick win. Small wins keep you motivated and moving forward every month. Both methods work, so pick the one that suits you. The important thing is to simply start paying down debt. Once your high-interest debt is gone, you will feel amazing. That money you paid the bank now goes to investing. Now it is time for the most exciting step yet. Step 3 is opening the right investment accounts for you. In America, you have several great account options to choose. The most popular retirement account in America is the 401k. A 401k is a special retirement account your employer offers. You contribute before taxes are taken from your paycheck today. This means you pay less money in taxes this year. Your money grows tax-deferred until you retire and withdraw it. You pay taxes only when withdrawing money during retirement years. The absolute best part of a 401k is employer matching. Many American employers will match what you put in monthly. For example, your employer might match 50% of contributions. If you contribute 6%, your employer adds 3%. That employer match is literally free money they give you. Always contribute enough to capture your full employer match amount. Not doing this means leaving free money on the table. The 401k contribution limit for 2025 is $23,000. Now let us talk about the amazing Roth IRA account. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, and it is incredible. A Roth IRA is honestly one of the best accounts. With a Roth IRA, you invest money after taxes today, but then your money grows completely tax-free inside the account. When you retire and withdraw money, you pay 0 taxes. Paying 0 taxes on growth means you keep every dollar. The 2025 Roth IRA contribution limit is $7,000. If you are 50 or older, you can add more. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. These are trusted American brokerages that millions of people use. All 3 charge 0 account fees and are beginner-friendly. Opening an account takes about 10 minutes on your phone. You just need your social security number and bank info. Now, which account should you prioritize first between the 2? If your employer matches contributions, always start with the 401k. Put in enough to capture your full employer match first. After that, open your Roth IRA and start contributing there. Using both accounts together gives you an incredible tax advantage. Step 4 is about choosing exactly what to invest in. This is where most beginners get confused and overwhelmed today. Should you pick individual stocks like Apple or Amazon today? Should you buy real estate or gold or maybe cryptocurrency? For beginners, the absolute best starting point is index funds. Let me explain exactly what an index fund really is. An index fund is a basket holding many different stocks. Instead of buying one stock, you buy hundreds at once. If one company fails, the others protect your investment today. This spreading of risk is called diversification, and it helps. Think of it like never putting all your eggs together. A popular type of index fund is called an ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and it is simple. One very popular ETF tracks the S&P 500 stock index. The S&P 500 includes the 500 biggest American companies. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Tesla are inside. Buying this ETF means you own a piece of each. Historically, this index has averaged about 10% per year. Long-term investors love this fund for its reliable growth record. See what 10% annual returns do over 30 years. Let us say you invest $200 a month. By age 65, you might have over $600,000. That's the incredible power of compound interest working daily. Compound interest means you earn returns on top of returns. Your returns earn returns, and those returns earn even more. It snowballs and grows bigger and faster with every year. Compound interest is called the eighth wonder of the world. Here's one more great beginner option you should know. It's called a target date fund, and it runs itself. Pick your retirement year, and the fund does everything automatically. Step 5 is the secret weapon all wealthy Americans use. That secret weapon is automating your investments every single month. Automation means your money invests itself without you doing anything. You set it up once, and it runs on autopilot. Log into your brokerage and set up automatic transfers. Every payday, send a set dollar amount to your investments. This powerful strategy is called paying yourself first every month. Most people pay their bills first and invest what remains. The problem is that nothing is usually left over monthly. When you automate, investing happens before you touch anything else. This removes all emotion and temptation from your financial choices. You cannot spend money that already went straight to investing. This strategy is also known as dollar cost averaging today. Dollar cost averaging means buying investments at regular, set intervals. Sometimes you buy high and sometimes you buy lows. Over time, your average cost per share becomes very reasonable. You do not ever need to time the market perfectly. Time in the market always beats timing the market perfectly. Start automating with as little as $25 each month. Any amount invested regularly is better than doing nothing today. As your income grows, increase your automated investment amount gradually. Bump your contribution up by just 1% each year. That small 1% increase adds up to thousands more. You will barely notice it, but your future self will. Now, let us talk about the biggest mistakes you must avoid. Avoiding these common mistakes could save you tens of thousands. Mistake 1 is waiting for the perfect time to invest. There's no perfect time, and there never will be. The stock market will always seem a little bit scary. The best time to start investing is simply right now. Mistake 2 is checking your investment account every single day. The market goes up and down on a daily basis. If you check every day, you will panic and sell. Panic selling is how most new investors lose their money. Check your investment accounts once a month or each quarter. A smart investor ignores short-term noise and stays their course. Mistake 3 is trying to pick individual winning stocks yourself. Even professional fund managers cannot consistently beat the market long-term. Stick with simple index funds and ETFs for steady growth. Mistake 4 is thinking you need a lot to start. You can start investing with just $1 today, actually. Fidelity and Schwab both have zero minimums to open accounts. Investing has never been more accessible to everyday Americans today. Mistake 5 is giving up whenever the market drops down. Market drops are not disasters. They're actually buying opportunities. Let us now quickly review all 5 steps one time. Step 1. Build your 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Step 2, aggressively pay off all your high-interest debt fast. Step 3, open your 401k account and your Roth IRA. Step 4, invest in simple index funds and proven ETFs. Step 5, automate your monthly investments so it happens itself. Follow these 5 steps and you will build real wealth. It doesn't matter if you are 20 or 40. It's never too early or too late to start. Every single dollar you invest today works hard for you. Your future self is counting on the choices you make. The average American retires with under $20,000 saved. You now have the knowledge to do so much better. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps this video reach other Americans who need this. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss new videos. We post simple money tips every single week for you. Drop a comment below and tell us where you stand. We love reading every comment and we'll definitely reply back. The best investment you will ever make is in yourself.